Welcome as we continue our study of Colossians in chapter 4, verse 4, that I may make it clear as I ought to speak. So, make it clear, some translations will say reveal, is phanero, and phanero is the word for manifest. It can be translated as reveal also. So, if you wanted to say that I should reveal it or I should make it manifest, either one of those would be okay. But it really just means that he's sort of making it make it visible, make it realized, to make it known by teaching, something like that. And we see all these different translations in here. These really are just not how you're going to translate it. It's just sort of knowing. Really, it includes all these things, but it quite literally just means to make something known or to make something manifest, something that was previously not seen, similar to mysterion. A lot of times those words are used together. So we saw that in verse 3. As I ought to speak. So ought is di, which is it's a fairly common word. Really just means that it is necessary. So maybe you could say as it is needed or as it's needed for me to speak. And speak is Teleios. We saw that in the previous verse, and again, it's a common word for to speak. So Paul again is he's continuing this in these two verses. He's talking about he's requesting prayer, that he would be able to that God would open the door so that he could then teach the mystery of Christ, which he's been bound, and that he would be able to reveal it to people, uh, and that he would do so as needed. Because again, there's different needs, right? I mean, is that a they need to hear it so they can be saved, or maybe it is they need to hear something so that they can grow. And so again, there's always this sort of emphasis on what's necessary for each person that you're teaching, and I think that's what Paul's talking about here.